Hello there. Today we're going to talk about application-specific blockchains, also known as Appchains. Web 3.0 brought about decentralized applications built on blockchains through smart contracts. There are thousands of applications that share a standard set of configuration on a generic smart contract platform. They all share the transaction processing capacity of that particular network. Appchains give developers a dedicated transaction processing capacity. Application-specific blockchains, also called Appchains, are blockchains customized to operate a single application. Instead of building a decentralized application on top of an underlying blockchain like Ethereum, developers build their own blockchain from the ground up. In simple terms, Appchains are dApps that have their own blockchain. They are customized blockchains that are built using Substrate technology. Parachains of Polkadot and Appchains of Near, that's Octopus, are blockchains designed or optimized for a specific use case that works in parallel with the main chain. Appchains are to Near and Parachains are to Polkadot and Kusama, with the first few parachains being Akala and Parallel, while the Bio and Myriad being Appchains. Why do we need application-specific blockchains? What is more important than use cases and mass adoption? Nothing, of course. One of the main reasons we haven't seen mass adoption might have something to do with bad user experience. Let's go a bit technical. Suppose you are building a Web3 application, a pharmaceutical supply chain, or a health insurance decentralized application. To do this, you need a smart contract that you would deploy right on top of a blockchain stack. You would design your application within the smart contract framework. But when it comes to matters that might affect your user experience, such as transaction fees, speed, time of response, product simplicity, there is not much you could do because you can only optimize your dApp on the blockchain you built on. Now, other layers of the blockchain, such as runtime and consensus, could not be changed no matter what you do with the smart contract. That's how Appchains come to the rescue. Imagine if an application could enjoy all the benefits of a blockchain. Every functionality can be customized. When your users don't like transaction fees, no problem. You could design it however you want so that your users can have the greatest user experience. You can customize even the underlying consensus algorithm. It's all possible because the whole blockchain stack is in your hands. Why Appchains over decentralized applications? 1. Performance. Appchain in POS setting will independently enjoy 1000 transactions per second throughput, and the computation cost is very low. 2. Customizability. Developers can customize the entire tech stack of an Appchain to be fully optimized for a specific use case, while dApps have to follow the unified settings of the public chain. 3. Governance on-chain made available. 4. Flexibility. Application-specific blockchains give maximum flexibility to developers. 5. Security. Developers can choose proven programming language when building Appchains. They can customize the cryptography and don't have to worry about potential bugs and exploitation mechanisms in a virtual machine. Octopus Network. Octopus Network is a brand new interoperable multi-chain crypto network born to bootstrap and run substrate-based application-specific blockchains. They run on Near protocol. Near is often referred to as a readily made scalability solution for existing Ethereum dApps. but it is equally capable of handling a suite of other types of decentralized solutions such as Appchains. Compared to other Layer 1 platforms that can also accommodate Appchains such as Polkadot or Cosmos, Near has some key technical and economical advantages. Near offers Appchains a significantly less expensive security lease and doesn't have a limit on the number of Appchains capable of being launched. To put it simply, Near was chosen by Octopus over Polkadot and Cosmos because it's simply more cost-effective, scalable yet friendly, and interoperable with networks like Ethereum than any other existing Layer 1 solution. How does Octopus Network work? Octopus Network provides Appchains with flexible lease security. This is done through Octopus validators and delegators sitting on the supply side of the security leasing market. Octopus delegators can delegate their Oct token to validators for a share of the staking rewards of an Appchain's native token. Staking rewards are distributed to delegators directly after validators collect a unified commission. Octopus validators stake Oct tokens to validate a particular Appchain and set up a node to run that Appchain's protocol. In return, validators are eligible to receive the respective native token of the Appchain they are validating. If validators misbehave, for example, go offline, attack the network, or run modified software, they and their delegators are slashed by losing a percentage of their staked Oct token. All punishments are applied to delegators proportionally when their validators get slashed. In this way, staking acts as a disincentive for malicious behavior. Because Oct token holders are responsible for deciding which Appchain they would like to stake on, the Octopus Network works as a free market where Appchains can lease the level of security they need at the market price at any time. Appchains can increase their level of security as time goes, as well as increasing the number of their validators. Octopus Relay and interoperability. The Octopus Relay enables Appchains interoperability with Near protocol and Ethereum via the Rainbow Bridge. Additionally, Appchains can utilize an out-of-box IBC palette to connect with any IBC-enabled blockchains directly. Any asset issued on Ethereum, Near, or any IBC-enabled blockchain can be transferred into and utilized by Octopus Appchains trustlessly. Conversely, any assets issued on Appchains can be transferred trustlessly out to Ethereum, Near, and any IBC-enabled blockchain. With this, there can be interaction with Polkadot and its parachains, and also with Cosmos. How do Appchains go live in Octopus? Substrate-based chains can become Octopus Appchains by completing the following stages. The registration stage. Any substrate-based chain can apply to become an Octopus Appchain. Registration requires a white paper or spec and a runtime release that has been internally tested and audited. To prevent abuse, the registration requires a small deposit of Oct. The audit stage. After the Appchain is registered, members of the community task force will audit it. The purpose of the audit is to ensure that the Appchain has no known security vulnerabilities and that its application logic is consistent with its white paper or spec. The voting stage. Once an Appchain has passed the auditing phase, it enters the candidate queue where it will be upvoted or downvoted by Oct holders. In a rolling period that lasts 1 to 2 weeks, the Appchain that ranks first with the most number of upvotes minus downvotes in the queue will enter the staging stage. as the most supported app chain by the Octopus community. The staging stage. In the staging stage, Oct holders can stake or delegate on the app chain. When the staging period ends, if the app chain has attracted enough staking beyond the security bottom line, it will enter the booting stage. The booting stage. In the booting stage, task force members will run 4 bootstrapping nodes to start the app chain. The validators should run their nodes to join the app chain consensus. The Octopus Network will also run a full node cluster for each app chain and provide API access service to the app chain's front end. App chain developers then just need to update the front end configuration, and the app chain is ready for the end users. Good examples of app chains currently running are Decentralized.io, the Bio Network, and Myriad Social. Decentralized.io is the anonymous first app chain for medical and bioinformatics services and data. It allows users to sample and test anonymously without leaving home, empower labs of all sizes to collaborate on analyzing genetic and medical data, and offering joint biomedical products. The Octopus Accelerator Program. $1 million per year directly supports 20 app chains through the Octopus Accelerator Program. The Octopus Accelerator Program is a collection of open and composable courses and seminars offered quarterly on topics such as token economics, Web 3.0 product design, crypto project fundraising, etc. The Accelerator Program is available to Substrate developers and Web 3.0 teams worldwide. At the end of each class quarter, a demo day event is held, after which the Octopus Foundation selects the top 5 app chain projects and provide them with a $250,000 total reward. Octopus Network is not only looking to onboard app chains, but they also offer different levels of support in ensuring their survival. Near Protocol makes this easier. Check out the links in the description to learn more and get started with Octopus Network. Thank you.